Why is my dog coughing? This is video 1 in a 3-video series that discusses common causes of coughing in dogs, which I'll start after looking at allergy-triggered rhinotracheitis, or inflammation of the nasal passages and the trachea. How old is this dog? This is the first question I ask when presented with a dog that is coughing. Has this dog been boarded recently or visited a dog park? If it's a young or middle-aged dog, 1 to 8 years, that has not been boarded or visited a dog park recently, my first suspicion is I'm dealing with rhinotracheitis triggered by allergies. I'll then conduct a full physical examination looking for evidence to incriminate rhinotracheitis. So what are the clinical signs of canine allergy-triggered rhinotracheitis? Coughing, sneezing, snorting, sniffling, and gagging. You have congested airways with whining breathing sounds. You may have copious discharge from the nasal passages. You may have conjunctivitis and blepharitis, that pink eye and the redness of the upper and the lower eyelids. What's the treatment for allergy-triggered rhinotracheitis? Strategy is to stop the inflammation and congestion of the upper airways and restore normal breathing. A long-acting anti-inflammatory injection like kennel or triamcinolone will do exactly that. Kennel offers allergy relief for 2 to 3 months. If coughing is the only clinical sign I find, and the dog has visited a boarding kennel or dog park in the recent past, I'll lean towards kennel cough or bordetella infection. But what is kennel cough? Kennel cough is a bacterial disease caused by an airborne bacteria called bordetella bronchoseptica. Bordetella is the most prevalent pathogen in animal shelters and boarding facilities. Over 50% of dogs returning from a shelter or kennel cough or a kennel will take home kennel cough as a token of appreciation. What are the clinical signs of kennel cough infection? Bordetella causes tracheobronchitis or inflammation of the trachea and the bronchi. A dry, hacking cough is the characteristic sign of kennel cough. A dry, hacking cough. How do you prevent kennel cough? There is an oral vaccine from Elanco Company and an injectable one from Zoetis. I recommend vaccinating dogs biannually if you use kennels very frequently, or if you live in a neighborhood where residents don't vaccinate their dogs. That's the end of the video. If this video has helped you in any way, subscribe, share it, comment, or ask a question below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.